Yes, old Picasso himself would love this. Abstract art out of an old box. And Daniel's abstract face, drawn in chalk pastels, is really bold and surreal. That's a sign of genius, if you ask me. Yeah, brilliant abstract face, Daniel. A touch of the Picasso influence there? Well, if Daniel has been influenced by Picasso, I've been influenced by Daniel. But I'm going to go one step further. I'm going to go 3D. Now, first, you're going to need a few boxes, any size or shape will do. Then pick out the one that you want to turn into a 3D face. This one looks good. Then start thinking, but think abstract. Well, this is a boring rectangle box at the moment, so start by breaking up its shape. Now, you can do this any way you like, but I'm going to start about halfway up one side of the cardboard box and cut a diagonal to the bottom like this, and then the same on the other side, but this time I'm going to continue around the side and down the back again on a diagonal. See that? Down it goes on the diagonal. On the first diagonal, just cut out a triangular eye. So I'm just going to get my scissors in there, and over it goes to create an eye hole. Then lift the lid and just crush the top corner a bit. Just press everything in a little bit to alter the shape of the box. This doesn't have to be perfect. The idea is to just alter the shape. And when you've done that, tape it all into place. And this is the basic head shape. So now you need some features. For this, use the corners of the other boxes you've collected, one for an eye, and one for a nose, slightly off-center, and then another eye, this time upside down. In fact, just keep experimenting and your abstract face will start to appear. And tape everything down, then brush on some PVA glue mixed half and half with water and paste a layer of kitchen paper all over your abstract face, sealing over all the joins. And when you've covered over all of your abstract face and it's dry, you'll have something that looks like this. Look at that. And now you can paint it in an abstract cubist style, just like Picasso. Now, acrylic paint works really well for this, and as you can see, I've drawn angular shapes all over it, and I've painted every shape a different colour, and I've even added in 2 white eyes and picked out all of the shapes with black marker pen, and that all adds to that zany effect. And if you really want to go crazy, you can even create lots of different designs for your own abstract gallery. Try it yourself, 3D Picasso faces. And don't forget, you can check out the website for fact sheets on this and all the other art attacks in the show. And I will see you next time. Ta-ra!